I am Chetan Sharma. I'm the founder of Mobile Future Forward. We have been hosting this event for about 15 years in Seattle. So this year is the 15th year of Mobile Future Forward, and the theme of the conference is Quantumverse, Navigating Exponential Frontiers. The Quantumverse comes from quantum leaps. We are clearly in an era where several synchronous S-curves are emerging at the same time, and they're accelerating each other, like AI, 5G, edge computing, robotic, autonomous systems, and so on and so forth. And they're clearly pulling each other in a way to accelerate the overall technology adoption around the world. It's happening at the same time, at the same pace in multiple countries, unlike what has happened in the past. And so our focus is to really learn from the leaders as to how they are navigating these exponential frontiers in a way that's meaningful, that's sustainable, and that can generate a lot of revenue. Clearly, we go through these cycles where new technologies get introduced, and that has a significant impact on the global GDP. We saw that with internet when PCs and internet came together. We saw that again when mobile, cloud, and the LTE network came together in a way to completely change and reshape the global economy. And we are seeing the same thing happen again with the advent of 5G, AI, edge computing, and so on and so forth. And each time as the penetration within the country of these technologies changes, for every 1% or 10% increase, there is a measurable GDP increase. And we are starting to see that again with this cycle. And so as countries build AI infrastructure, they're looking for competitive advantage, and the players who are involved in building that AI infrastructure will clearly be the ones who benefit not only this decade, but decades to come. So MFF always attracts senior leaders from across the industry value chain. So we will have senior leaders, technology leaders, and business leaders from all the three major US operators, T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, as well as folks from Ericsson and Nokia, the hyperscalers like Amazon. We have folks from NVIDIA, who is really leading the AI charge globally. We'll have a lot of players from the enterprise who really talk about how they are leveraging these technologies in their operations on a day-to-day basis, as well as looking for new opportunities to increase revenue. And then we have a number of startups and venture capitalists to round the group. And so it's really a great cross-section of leaders from across the spectrum. Yeah, so MFF really prides itself in a very data-driven discussion and brainstorm. It's focused on really digging up the insights and learning from the experiences of these senior leaders. So audience comes away with a really good understanding of how the trends and the money being spent by these leaders is going to impact their own strategy, their own product plans and roadmaps. In addition, obviously there is a great opportunity to network and mingle with these folks throughout the day. I consider this as an offsite for leaders in the ecosystem. And we are looking forward to having a lot of our community back again in Seattle on September 5th.